Hi. Today I just want to talk about my hair journey since using these products, so Watermans Shampoo and the conditioner. So far, I'm very happy with the results I am getting. Not too sure about the length. I have chopped my hair since starting these products, so I'm still on the first bottle. But I did chop my hair because I have had a keratin treatment, which makes my ends quite flat. It is growing out now, so I am getting a lot more volume up the top based on these products, and eventually once this grows out, then I'll get that volume down to the length. So far very happy with the results. I have used thickening shampoos in the past and conditioners, and they have made my hair get sort of dandruff or dry and scaly, and my scalp and everything. So this shampoo is like a deep cleanse. It's awesome. I feel like my head gets a clarifying shampoo, fully cleansed when I use this product. It is recommended to try and wash your hair daily. However, this does clean your hair so well that you actually don't have that oily hair, but I am trying to follow it to the best instructions. It does say to leave in for 3 to 4 minutes, a bit longer than normal shampoos. However, I just brush my teeth or something, so I am sticking to the guidelines of these. The conditioner is like a deep conditioner, so you're still getting that nice soft feel out of my hair. I don't find my hair is snapping as much as it used to. I am getting new growth, so I have flyaways sort of happening everywhere through my hair. They don't come down and neat when I style my hair, but that's just new growth. It eventually will get there. I am very happy with the products and how I'm going with them. I'm going to continue to use them and see where my hair journey goes after a few more months. Unfortunately I didn't take before and after pictures. I probably do have the same length. It is just more fuller now, especially coming from the top. It is starting to get heaps more thicker. I am getting more confident to wear my hair up, so I can put it in a ponytail, and I've still got a bit of hair now. Previously I used to try to hide when my hair went up in a bun with a scrunchie hidden in it to add that extra volume, but I'm not needing to find that anymore. So yeah, I'm happy to see where this goes.